This morning, speculation running high the Supreme Court could rule as soon as tomorrow on the Texas abortion law, the most restrictive in the nation. SB 8, as it's known, bans the procedure once a fetal heartbeat is detected, usually around the 6-week mark, before many women even know they're pregnant, and makes no exceptions for rape or incest. It first went into effect in Texas in September, back when the Supreme Court indicated it wouldn't take up the case. But a federal judge eventually blocked the law, later reinstated by an appeals court and ultimately upheld by the Fifth Circuit. The rule allows private citizens to sue any doctor who performs an abortion in Texas or anyone who helps out with one.
Other states could use this same mechanism to, for instance, block people from exercising gun rights.
That unique mechanism a sticking point on both sides during oral arguments at the High Court earlier this month.
We would be like open for business. There's nothing the Supreme Court can do about it. Guns, same-sex marriage, religious rights, whatever you don't like, go ahead.
Abortions in Texas have dropped sharply since the law was passed, according to research by the Texas Policy Evaluation Project, which shows procedures fell by half. And that won't be the only abortion-related case the justices are weighing this term. Next month, the court will hear a challenge to a Mississippi law that bans most abortions after 15 weeks.
Many people believe will be the vehicle for reversing Roe v. Wade entirely if that's where this court is inclined to go.
So, Monica, as the White House watches that potential decision from the Supreme Court, President Biden's massive social spending plan passed the House on Friday. Still, though, a long way to go over in the Senate. So what is the White House doing here to twist some political arms in the upper chamber?
That's right. The president will stay in close touch with senators to urge the bill's passage, much like he did on the bipartisan infrastructure deal he signed into law last week. But the White House is clear-eyed about just how tricky this next phase likely will be. Showing a willingness to negotiate, President Biden conceded he's prepared to sign a final version that doesn't include some of his top priorities, including things like paid family leave. That's in the version the House approved Friday, but the Senate will likely pare back the $1.6 trillion climate and social programs plan before sending it back to the House for final passage. The Senate plans to resume work on the bill after Thanksgiving, with all eyes on key holdouts like Joe Manchin and Kyrsten Sinema, both of whom have expressed skepticism about some of the provisions and the overall price tag, given concerns over inflation. Remember, the president has no margin of error in the evenly divided Senate, not to mention a limited legislative timeline to get this all done. Willie?
Monica Alba at the White House. Monica, thanks so much.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.